All right, upper 70s right now, Miami, 76 in Fort Lauderdale, 80 degrees there in Key West, and we're looking good. Next weather radar network is quiet. We are going to be solid for this weekend. In fact, we're going to lower humidity, we're going to lower temperatures as well. Not too cold, not too hot, so kind of Goldilocks weather, I think, for both Saturday and Sunday, because our weather's coming from the north and west, and the temperatures here really aren't all that cold. The bigger cold front, probably the biggest one so far this year, that won't happen until late next week, but I'm already looking ahead because that is going to drop temperatures big time. But you see, right through the end of next week, we're going to dip into the 60s and then back into the 70s with above average temperatures overnight. Humidity, though, going to stay nice and comfortable. And you see towards the end of the little arrows starting to sneak up. That's the moisture that's going to be coming in with the front that will pick up tropical moisture from the Gulf, and that will bring us some good rainfall, I think, for late next week, at least for a couple days. For tomorrow, just a few light showers. This front doesn't have much to work with here, and so it will be cooler, less humid for the weekend, and very comfortable. Warmer on Monday and Tuesday, but only slightly. I don't think we'll get into uncomfortable temperatures there, and then we got a lot of moisture that's going to be moving in here, so showers and storms Wednesday into Thursday before we clear out for the following weekend. There's next weather rain tracker. We're picking up on some fog there over Collier overnight, it looks like, but otherwise we're pretty quiet. Just a few clouds coming in. That's the front coming through with a few showers, so we'll keep rain chances at 20% for tomorrow, and then that cooler north to northeast wind will begin to move in, and that's what's going to set up the comfortable temperatures. So we have Sarah, of course, in the tropics, and I just showed you at the top of the hour the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center. I mean, it looks like it's inland here, but as far as the center of the storm, Hurricane Hunter is still looking at this for tomorrow, I think, and we'll continue to see this hugging the coast. It's one of those things where it'll probably meander, right, at times, so the wind speeds are not going to increase significantly. They just can't with a system that close to shore. It's just not going to be possible there. So we're going to continue with a tropical storm, a low-end tropical storm as far as the winds, but a high impact event when it comes to the rain because of the slow movement. This is not, Friday, Saturday. This is Friday, Sunday. So it is a slow crawl, and that's what's going to be dumping the 10 to potentially 20 inches of rainfall. We're going to have some terrible pictures probably from Honduras by the end of the weekend. That rain is going to fall in the mountains, and it has to get to the Gulf, and it's going to do that coming down hillsides there. Rip current, moderate threat for tomorrow, upper 70s. Temperatures getting a little cooler there in the water for us here in South Florida. No alerts on the Atlantic waters or the Florida Keys, so we're looking good as far as that goes. We just still have the tides coming up for tomorrow. Because of the king tides, we'll deal with some minor flooding as we've been seeing the last few days here. Temps in the 80s for tomorrow. We'll bring temperatures down, low 80s for Saturday, Sunday, and then there's that rain event for late next week.